Be ready. Start. The CBSE exam results for class 10 and 12 expectedly reflect the same soaring graph exhibited by other school boards in the past week. Stop. The past percentages are nearly 100% and the number of students scoring over 95% marks is abnormally high. Stop. The alternative mode of internal evaluation by the respective schools adopted following the cancellation of board exams due to the second COVID wave that hit the country in March-May has led to a generous assessment of the examinees' academic proficiencies. Stop. This bid by schools to show good results is unhealthy and points to poor quality control. Stop. The skyrocketing numbers of toppers and over 95% scorers will lead to a more intense scramble for college admissions with thousands of brilliant students vying for each seat. Stop. Consider these outcomes of class 12. The CBSE pass percentage has swelled to 99.37 this year from last year's 88.78. Stop. The Punjab School Education Board PSEB pass percentage is 96.48, up from 90.98 of 2020 and 86.41 of 2019. Stop. The Board of School Education Haryana BSEH declared the exceptional pass percentage of 100. Stop. The percentage has been consistently soaring over the previous years with 80.34 in 2020, 74.48 in 2019 and 63.84 in 2018. Stop. The ICSE recorded 99.76 pass percentage. Stop. The limited opportunities available in the sphere of higher education and careers are grossly incongruous with the standards expected by the lakhs of high-scoring students passing out of schools every year. Stop. The intense competition posed by the make or break 0.01% is fraught with mental repercussions for the youngsters. Stop. Even as the new marking system that takes into consideration the students' progress throughout the session rather than just the board exam is a welcome change, a tough relook into the evaluation process is needed. Stop. The check enforced by the CBSE of using the best performance of the last 3 years is apparently not enough. Stop. A better way out is required to protect the truly deserving candidates from the unfair bunching of hundreds of undeserving ones. Stop. On a day, the Haryana Home Minister claimed that the state had topped in the country in the implementation of the Crime and Criminal Tracking Network and System CCTNS came the news of a molestation accused shooting his victim's father in the eye of Damdama village of Gurugram district. Stop. The accused was out on bail after being booked earlier under the POCSO Act. Stop. Incidents of crime against women have failed to come as a surprise in Haryana despite efforts being made to empower women socially, economically and educationally. Stop. The state's rate of crime against women has been among the highest in the country, even as the number of reported cases is believed to be much less. Stop. While the gaps in social structure that lend to such crimes can be overcome only gradually with education and awareness, the reach of justice should be ensured to deter such incidents. Stop. It is unusual for the courts to grant bail on various grounds such as the nature of offense and the severity of punishment. Stop. But conditions can be imposed to make the provision stringent even as the aim should be to make the accused suffer. Stop.